Hello, we are students from Pelita Harapan University making a social program for the people of North Sumatra in marketing their specialty chili product, Andaliman Sambal, and some of my partner.
Hello, I'm Diah Laila Kusumaningrum Suparto. As a public relation officer, I'm responsible for establishing a network and communication with external parties from the company.
Hello, I am Kadek Wisnu Adi Gunawan, Forest Surveyor Officer. I am responsible for field research in North Sumatra to collect data, communicate with the people, and observe the community of North Sumatra to get the authentic recipe of Andaliman Sambal.
Hello, I am Nabila and Maulidia. As a social media specialist, I'm responsible for marketing the product by using social media tools and managing the engagement, sales, and interaction through social media.
Hello, I am Nasya Tanzila Kirana as a treasurer. I'm responsible for managing the revenue, tax, losses, and other financial related affairs within the company.
The first is our industry. We have analysis SWOT for my industry. The first, the strength of Andaliman Sambal is the specification of the taste and also the composition of the product. The second is the weakness of Andaliman Sambal is the possibility of low initial interest when sales first start. Not many Indonesians are familiar with Andaliman Sambal. The third is the opportunity that exists from Andaliman Sambal is the Indonesian people's desire for unique flavor of sambal that they have never tasted before. The last one is the threats for Andaliman Sambal is the possibility of having low loyalty from consumer. Next, our company, Cita Rasa Company is a group of students from Pelita Harapan University, which was created to help the economy of the people of North Sumatra to market their sambal Andaliman. We have vision, mission, and purpose. The vision is our group wants to introduce Andaliman chili sauce made from Andaliman seeds to the public so that this chili sauce can be known in Indonesian society and if it can reach about because this chili sauce is quite famous in East and South Asia. The misi Andaliman sambal can be known in the community by promoting it through the promotion platform, and the purpose to introduce Andaliman sambal to the public so that people know the taste of Andaliman sambal. Next, our target. We want to help North Sumatra people Toba Samosir Regency because Andaliman seeds are quite famous in East and South Asian communities as Tajin pepper. Many people don't know Andaliman sambal. We will introduce Andaliman sambal to the public through a promotional platform and help to promote sambal Andalima to the public so that it's known more widely. Depends on where we will promote it.
Our product. This is chili sauce from North Sumatra, a special chili sauce from the Batak tribe that has a special taste. Andaliman sambal is a chili sauce combined with Andaliman, which is a typical plant of Batak land, North Sumatra. Andaliman is a typical Asian cooking spice derived from the outer skin of the fruit of several plant species belonging to the Xanthoxylum genus. This spice in Indonesia is only known in Batak cuisine, so it is known to outsiders as Batak pepper. This Andaliman has a soft but biting citrus aroma that causes a numb or numb sensation on the tongue, even though it is not as spicy as chili or pepper. This numbness of the tongue is due to the hydroxy-alpha sunsul content in the spice. There are several properties of this andaliman that are good for health, namely relieve pain, increase blood, increase endurance, strengthen bones, relieve inflammation, prevent chronic disease. Next, market analysis. Number 1, market segmentation and target market. The target market for Cita Rasa Company is Indonesian household, especially those in the island of Java who do not know much about this andaliman sambal. Although this andaliman sauce is produced in North Sumatra, we stock goods so that delivery to target market around the island of Java, especially Bandung, can be done quickly. We also ship every day, including weekends. Number 2, based on graphic and demographic location. Cita Rasa Company is located in Bandung Housing Complex, where the area is surrounded by many households with households who work in office. So they often order our andaliman sambal to be their dining companion. In addition, it is not uncommon for some of those who like andaliman sambal to recommend it to their office friend. So this is a great opportunity for us to get a wider target market. Number 3, based on digital location. Cita Rasa Company has also include product in various online stores such as Shopee, Gojek, and also TikTok. We also carry out several online advertisers such as TikTok, Facebook, Instagram ads, and even support so that product can be better known by people. Next. Annual sales projection. Annual sales projection are the amount of revenue that the company wants to earn in the future. Cita Rasa Company estimate the annual sales projections as follows. Number 1, starting number of customer per day is 30, and number of days open per month is 10, and percent monthly growth rate of customer during year 1 is 2%, and percent monthly growth rate of customer during year 2 is 3%, and percent monthly growth rate of customer during year 3 is 5%, and average purchase per customer visit is 25,000 rupiah to 50,000 rupiah.
Competitors and competitors analysis grid. Competitor analysis grid is a statement of strategy and how to join the competition, which aims to determine the strength and the weakness of competitor in the market. One of the competitor that will be the rival of Cita Rasa Company is Rumah Sambal Ijo, which is also a company that sells ready-to-eat chili sauce. Next. Marketing plan. Our marketing plan will emphasize on digital marketing using platforms such as TikTok, Shopee, and Facebook. We will promote our product through advertisement and endorsement in internet and social media. We will also sell our product on digital platforms like Shopee and Tokopedia. We believe that the digital platforms in an effective platform to market our product and gather our potential customer. Next. Design and development plan. We have several business model for design and development plans. Satisfy customer who love chili sauce and provide the best service to customer. Spicy food lovers will love the taste of this distinctive Andalima sambal. Cita Rasa Company is located in a strategic place that makes it easy to deliver product to customer. Cita Rasa Company will be known by many lovers of spicy food because it has its own unique from the taste of the chili sauce and also the affordable price. The company maintains a very good relationship with the customer by providing free shipping, voucher, or discount with certain minimum purchase.
Next, operation plan. Front stage and backstage activities. In front stage, this is consists of 2 people who are tasked handling all social media and e-commerce. Besides that, this team is also tasked with creating interesting content to promote the brand and endorse influencer to attract buyers. In this backstage session, there are 4 people who are responsible for the production of chili sauce, 5 people who make chili sauce, 5 people who are in charge of packaging, and 4 people in shipping. The location of this company is in a house located on Jalan Cihampelas, Bandung City, Indonesia. Even though we are still online, some customers who live in Bandung often come directly to this place. The facilities we provide in the stores are free Wi-Fi for all employees here, as well as toilets and a house capacity that can accommodate 10 to 25 people. The equipment in our shop is a chili making machine, refrigerator, basic selling machine, and material for shipping part. Next is startup capital and sources of fund. Cita Rasa is a partnership company, so the capital of this company is divided by 4 people for 12.5 million per person. Sources of fund, the financial sources that have been collected, obtained from each person cash, and there are no sources of loans from anyone. The last is timeline activities. In week 1, we make a business plan and division of tasks. In week 2, we're looking for a suitable farmer. In week 3, we're looking for sponsorship and briefing the sponsor about the project. In week 4, we're marketing our product to social media. And in week 6, we start the project that have been planned. That's all about our presentation. Thank you for your participation. See you.